Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Nak main pat. Apa nom si kelayang ah?
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kanuli kata self-help group, kau penyak ya kalau kidro kau bahaya. Kau don shibun ki price lani ki kusnam, ya kau ba on sapen khalai hakas nong nuli kata Southwest Castles District, kalau pentip baik ba, biar kalau kidro pelapan baik pen pelong, hakakat wai terik nai tung aja pun rio. Lapang karya no asaka arpu a terik nai lar aja pun rio. Kajing pengkalai kata tarik khalai nusib, kadai nak ada ko jingjur palat uslam, bakajing bampat poi Ryntih jong ki tiket, kibla phak di kum ta lahapan pengkarya no, syau benai nai lar aja pun rio.
Nakaliang ka Nshg group nengkong ni kwa ban pan map sati ki paidba ba ngim patla ban penleka ya kalaki dro ha 3 Julai 2018 na kadau kajing slab jongka bneng ni ngim pat lakban di yaki tickets te kumta ngi la extend ya kane ka lucky draw hadu Agos 2018 but ngi kerpat ya ki padba what nim do increment but sinyu ba dabu baha ya ki ticket ba pi la deptit kublai shibun.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.